is a Doctor Who TARDIS. We need to get in there.
There's some screws.
Screws. Is this fake? Is this fake? Is this a geocache?
No, I wish. Another padlock that I don't know the code to.
Okay. I think it does have to do with those bolts. We do need power. I know exactly where we could get some power. Jumper cables! Jumper cables!
Here we go.
Okay. Look.
Whoa.
It's a switch.
A switch.
Okay, flip the switch.
I hear something!
Yeah!
Josh noticed that there are some carved notches in this thing, but it works!
Yes!
Yeah.
All right, okay, we got another thing here.
Dead bees.
We got bees.
Ooh.
Dangerous, but I see a red.
Okay,
I see a
all
red button. No, press the button. Boom!
Oh, baby.
Yeah!